Okay. Also, we are back. Good. Why I told you also that last time I explained something about a war. When you push someone to the wall, right? When you push someone to the wall, and again, what do you expect the person to enter the wall when it's not witch or wizard? The person has to bounce back. Maybe so. He can't enter the wall, right? That's the least he can ever be. Maybe so.
Yes, sir.
Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. It can't enter the wall.
Perfect. Good. That's what it can never be. Good. Now, same thing happens to market too as well. If you have a trend line, as we're expecting this trend line and it's on a big time frame, and it has done what it has done. It has done the big activity on that trend line at that angle, for example, like this one now. So it's on a cycle level. Everything that's expecting this one has also done a W pattern and they're expecting that frame. And this is coming. One thing why I want to tell you is that news will never go beyond this. Probably just with a small spike and then come down. If that level is what? It's a wide level. Let me come again. That's one of the sniper that I talk about in the news in fundamental. Why I say that at a level where it doesn't take any liquidity. Do you understand? Where it really this is the least the market can never go to. Do you understand me? And the market is not
Yes,
there.
sir.
Hey, it's at the least you ever get to. It's not there. It's not doing every possible means. It's doing head and shoulder. It's doing everything at site level. Everything is showing there, and this is not coming. That's why you see that at times that some signals are sent to the group. Immediately you just saying it just spike. You just look at that. That's the point. I saw that type of thing. That thing I've sent to the group several times before. I sent to the group to last year, December. I know too. One day I saw it. As the news spiked, we were like, oh my God, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, you know. And the news keep going. And now come on again, they keep going. Because of what? That's the least ever it will ever get to. So that market must move away from that. Do you understand, sir? I don't know. Do you get me?
Yes, sir. I'm getting you, sir.
Perfect. So if market is at the less ever place, that means it's a demand zone, support zone, and doing all possible conferences. Doing everything conferences there, meeting everything there, and you should come to respect it by far. The least can do to watch do a small spike of the what's expected by far. Now, one of the good things I love to take on news. But because if I don't understand that news that's coming, if I see that thing, I don't care the fucking news that's coming. I don't care. That one, at that time, I only pay for this. I know I am fucking right. It's a buy market. It's doing higher, and it's on my trend line. It's on everything. It's on the angle. All the prices I've met, just the news that is waiting for it to move. No, I don't care. I don't care myself. Then the news behind NFP. Then the behind anything. I don't even care. I know that. I know that market is what at a wall. If you push onto the wall, the next thing to do is to be hard. My talking people to be hard. They will bounce back. You can't enter the wall. They can't. There's no one. They will bounce. That's what happens. So the market is at the wall already. Everything is not meeting at that wall. Companies is meeting. Every company is meeting there. 1, 2, 3, 4 companies, and they just mean the news. No. That news should just do get it to go. Let me tell you something else again about the news. Now, why we took that news again yesterday? Let me see. Sit down. See this thing. Go get it. If we are seeing this just like, we're thinking, I don't know how to sell it. Then they keep down. It goes again. I see now go. I'll tell you. Now, why we took that by after these injections, I was like, oh, this it's just the reject because of the family. There's a small distance. There is zone here. You see that place is zone. Just the reject. There must have been a zone there. I need to apply something else. So I must have been a zone there actually. Very small. I'm in a zone there actually. So you consider when this market started moving. Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Up. You see this place, sir? Up, come. It shows that what this is an example of what it couldn't. The example of what it couldn't come down. Example of what I just said about the wall. It couldn't come down. This injection, it couldn't come down to come and eject because it's around that at the wall. The message was to go forward, but the push backward was just leaving a spike for it. You understand? I'm not talking. Car. At the world point, you are not close to the point where it's meant to what? Push. See the support on the resistance at the site level. It meant to go. It can't go for that. These are more not close to the wall. So it has to what? So any resistance, any downward push, they just what? Just to push it down, just to be doing a injection. You should go up. Go injection. You get to that's what happened. So if I was saying that occurring, and you know, just stop. That's why we took that buy and hit it hard. It hit it hard. So for me, I took my profits when it came to this site level, took my first profit. I entered another one around this point. It just come back looking at it. So seeing profit again, I'm also profit. And it's still going massively. Because I knew because all these things you have to understand what I can't do. Why did I take profit? I saw these two stops, 1, 2. Two multiple rejection on what site level, and I saw the mighty move here. The market cannot just move bam and be like that. It must retest.
Even this one, even this buy will have to come down a bit and respect the fair value gap. This upward market, it will come down a bit before it start going.
It might even come down. The time market is opening.
So around there, around there.
Up, down. So I knew, and again, it's a 5 day. I knew, this is a 5 day. Market will not move over the night except weekend. So I knew, so I took double profit now. I'm making double profit now. You don't see it trade. You can double profit. Now someone can want to manage his trade now, can move his profit, can move his stop loss from there now. I'm moving now to this point now. So or give it gap. To trade manage your trade. That's a trade. Not to what's about has done what? A more like a double top, double bottom here for you. The less is what to come and test here.
Cool.
Even though the test might still be good, my still come down here. No mind, the market is crazy, or you still going. That's so it's crazy, man. It's crazy. So do you understand, sir? Everything about TA, about
yes, sir.
Do you understand everything?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you understand any questions?
No question, sir. No question. That
You have to interpret this to Metawale and teach him as well. So thank God I have to establish everything about TA. Thank God. That's good. So I believe now you don't know more about TA, about TA, about fundamental. Hello, sir. I believe you don't know more about fundamental now, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right now, I see something. Let me point out for you. I just saw it. So I just saw it. What I taught you last week. What's that? From what I taught you last week, what's that? And what from that? What did I say? I taught this last week, and you taught me as well. What did I say? Think. I taught you last
price
week.
action. Are you talking about price action, sir?
What I just drawn down, what happened? What are you seeing? What are you doing? This is an M, yes. What are you just doing? What is going on? What can you see? I taught you this thing last week. This thing that occurred, I taught you that you always do something. One thing M of I taught you last week.
I don't remember, sir, but what I can see here is that.
I'm not reminding you. Check your note. You also taught Mr. Ali, you have to share, you have to extend the learning to him. Check your notes.
Okay.
Check your notes.
Hold on, sir. Let me check the pattern again before checking my notes, sir.
Okay. This pattern. M.
Why am I not seeing the screen? I'm not seeing anything now.
I see the screen. My screen?
Yes, sir. Okay, I can see it now.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay, sir. The M pattern, the legs of the M pattern are on the site level. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're right. Okay. What's the intuition? What's the intuition?
The, the intuition is that it will reject.
Perfect.
It
Perfect.
will
Perfect. Thank you,
reject.
sir. Thank you. That's what I need to hear. Thank you, sir. Perfect. That's it. And you see now, I just said it now actually. Aside from what the resistance turning support, our demand turning supply zone, our supply turning demand. Aside from that, this is another thing, another confirmation again. Can you see? What a crazy one! What a crazy one! So can you see now? So the buy is so sure. Another one too. That's why I said that CA always confirm with what fundamental. If you never sit well with this chart, always you say CA fundamental is different, CA is also different. No, CA always confirm what is on the hit for you. So if you are super right, your this will be right, except the spike. That's all. I could just take it, just take a spike and just occur, having to catch the liquidity or anything. That's all. But it will be right. Can you see now, guys? So that was why what we have to what obey and what buy. My talking, sir. Car. My talking, people.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go into let's do back testing. I'm not done back testing today. We lost. We closed. We closed. We closed. We closed a trade. Do you notice that on Wednesday we closed a trade?
No, sir.
We closed this trade. We even closed this one that we're making now. We closed it. We wanted to buy safe. Somewhere around here, we closed them. It said, I just got close. I saw the news. It's negative, coming negative, close. Where's the coming negative? Coming so weak. I mean, you have to get strength before you can buy. Coming so weak. Guys, close. That's the only way. Close, guys. Run away from it. Close. We lost it now. We lost. We closed on Wednesday. That was the only trade we lost. We closed on Wednesday. We closed this. Let's see why do I lose? We enter from here. So let's go into it. Let's do the pattern together. I hope you're also ready for the backtesting as well.
Of course, sir.
That's perfect. Because I'm doing live with you as well. So I'm doing live with you as well. So it's all about thinking, looking at it again. Why do you take the decision? What influences my behavior? I took a buy from here. Because probably you saw double top, something like that, and the market spikes. Like if it coming down, imagine. Hi! See the spike came down to this point. The next side level. So why were we going? Took a buy. Let's look at it again. Why?
Where do you take the buy, sir?
This point now. See, why are you doing around this point? Double top, see, and the market spike. New spikes of that. Around this point, I just took a buy. This point. That was on Wednesday. We lost it. Took a buy here. Took a buy here. No, yeah. Afternoon, okay. No. The news came out around 1:30 years. This point, it took a buy here. Okay. No, took a buy here. 1:30 back. Yeah, we took a buy here. Double top here. Took a buy here. After seeing the 1 second top, took a buy here. At this point. We still didn't buy. We got to this point. Guys, wait out. You run away. So we took a buy here. Why? We're wrong. Why? Let's see together. Why? Let me
If I'm to be in your shoes too, I will take a buy too.
Let's go. Let's look at it. Let's go. Let's go. I need to move back. What do I do? What happened? I'm taking that back. Why shouldn't we have? So let's do that together. It's about studying, to study the chart, the market. Let's go. Let's look at it. That came down here, just at this point. Again, again, again. Break. Came into it. Head and shoulder. Equal. Head and shoulder. Above it. Came here. Came. You are watching this up later on. You can also look at this with us and see what we are wrong. You can drop a comment section on the comment why you think we are wrong. How you think we took a buy at that point, where we should have not taken or what we did wrong. What replaces what was our decision? What was our decision? What of our behavior? What you think should have been right? Drop a comment section also there. Let us know, please, so we can learn from each other. Thank you. Come on, join me. Come on, join me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come on, join me. Come on, join me.
Okay, sir.
Come on, join me. Come on, join me.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Enjoy, sir.
Thank you, boss. I'm seeing something actually, but I don't think that should be the reason. But it's one of the reasons. Now let's go see something, sir. This is highest we ever had. Let me so.
Yes, sir.
Then we came back to come and do the lowest year. Let me so, which is what resistance on support. Let me so.
Yes, sir.
Then we had what 3 resistance sort of support here. 1, 2, 3 bounces. 1, it goes, it comes, it goes, it comes, it goes. After these 3 bounces here, it creates a higher one also. Maybe so.
Yes, sir.
Then it creates a lower one. Yeah, it never matches with our resistance on. Then this next one also match up with this one. So to do what? Head, shoulder, shoulder. Invariably, this leg should come to this equal of this our 3 supporters that should call here. In terms of what? Market structure. I don't know if you understand. Hey,
yes, sir. Yeah, I can see that.
It's another upgrade though. You understand?
I can see that. I can see it, sir.
It's another upgrade though. If you're a newbie, you understand this thing. So that it did 3 matches here. When you did 3 matches here, was yeah. After he went up, the market goes up. The higher it goes up, it's not meant to what? Come back to this equal. At least it's not to what? The measure of its upness would be to not to equal this one again, to almost reach what we want to reach charm again. So he came and reach charm. Stopped it. That's to say that what this gauge, this remaining small gauge, you don't get that from up here. Am I talking?
Yes, sir.
You don't put it down. This many small gauge will go equal. You don't get down for up. Good. When you get this for up, it stops it. Am I talking, sir? I want to break it down in lemma. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. I can understand. I can see it, sir.
We are taking hours daily. Time. Started from 8 o'clock. Today is long ago. 8 o'clock. Thank God we started early. We are taking more time today. Actually, this is the last class. This is the last class. So I can go and get myself prepared for my next appointment. Okay, so it gets around here. So when you get higher here, the remaining small one will go for gauge, they don't get that for up here. And why stop for here? After you stop for here, you can't still come up again. You come up here again. Come and do what? Head and shoulder. This is head, this is shoulder, shoulder. This is 1 shoulder, this is 2 shoulder. Remember I told you that there might be what? 2 shoulders. This one is even 3, 7, 1, 2, 3. And what? It must be one head, no matter what. Not be so.
On the side level.
Exactly again, side level again. And also
the trend line.
And the trend line too. So the whole is possible, is have a tendency of still coming back to the leg where it started from. The leg of this person started from here, not this leg. It shouldn't be this leg.
The zone.
It shouldn't be this the leg of where it started from this point here.
The zone.
This zone here, where it started from this height leg. Not possibly something around this leg. So I think that was why we are wrong. This leg, this last leg, not this one, this last one, this leg. That's why it came back to this leg. Let's look further. That's just one, but I'm not convinced with that. Look on this. You want to be so sure. Look on this. That's look technical. They look a bit technical. I want to be so sure. Why are we wrong? Why? Why is it not turning back from here? I want to be so sure. I want to be so sure. You make the cell, show you know. All this we make them, all this yeah, we make them, we make them. All those we make them. And I don't put them there, that cell stuff there, I don't put them there. You make them.
Hard. Come on. Here is just plenty anyhow.
What is it, sir?
I said there are just many peers. Before you look at this one, look at this one.
That's what I do actually. For me, it's normal to me. It's not normal. Pick it up to some extent because you want to take decision on this one. I just say another one is super, super sweet. Oh yeah, I'm not leaving, I'm going for this one this time around. I said, no, again, super, yeah, this one is the best. So it's used to it.
The concentration.
Yeah, it's crazy, it's crazy. You have to be very, very standard. It's crazy. I'm used to it actually. Used to it. So check on how many pairs and analyze them. So it's
like how many pairs do we check daily, sir?
At least 20 pairs. This is 30 pairs daily. So now actually it doesn't take me much longer because some more of them I've already done my what. I took my time to do my what stack level on all of them, and some that I've done trail level. So it doesn't take me much, less than an hour. Don't look into all of them. Don't see the one I want to pick. So time down, it doesn't take me much hours again. Like before I started before, card, 2 hours, 3 hours, I'm still there. You know, anything you do, the more you do, you become expert in it. And the continuous you do those stuff, it will give you to reduce your learning curve in doing those stuff. It will reduce like the more attention you pay to that thing, the more you are paying more attention to it, it will reduce. So for example, you started working as a machine something, you used to spend 3 hours in producing. If you're doing that thing for 2, 3, proper years, your production will be like 30 minutes, don't produce same results. By talking. So that is it. It's a law of nature. So if I look into those 20, so you know, 20, I see all day you're still looking into them. To me now, it's nothing. Less than an hour. I don't say it's much. Sometimes I don't spend 40 minutes, 50 minutes. I don't check all of them. Sometimes I don't even go through much itself. 30 minutes, I don't check them. I just look at price action and then market structure. I don't know which one will give me best. Once I see the market structure, I will know the one that will give me the best setup. Now I should tell you. Let's see market. Then I want to know. Then market structure will tell me when I will go further in searching for the 1 hour. When I see market structure, I will know this one is not so good. I go. I just spend 2 minutes on some PSA. Let's look at it. Oh, I go. This one is not set yet. I go. Oh, it's on the set. It's on screws. And I look into it for them. And I come in and look at how I can come in. That's it. So it's nothing to me anymore. It's nothing.
USD card.
We didn't see. Okay, maybe I took it. See this challenge. Kai, broke it and we test. Probably I never saw it too. But you see that we broke it and we test. I see that, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, oh, oh. Sometimes it takes time. Oh. Then, like I said, this market is patient. If you're not patient enough, you can't even do pattern itself. I believe so. You know the thing. Oh, market is patient here. You guys are not patient. Patient, just.
Sometimes market can be crazy.
And I thought there's the market. FOREX, you make money. Just come and come. Just think about come and make the money. I say, everybody will become FOREX to that. Everybody, the Japan. Oh, so now it's easy.
And I'm thinking about something too.
Yes, sir.
Because someone like you now, you have a lot of experience, you've been through a lot, but I think trading one pair will minimize my loss from the start, because that will allow me to take lesser trade. Because I'll have to wait for my
very many pairs.
Yes. One pair. Many pair will actually kill me.
Of course, it has.
I'll be seeing any setup that I would like.
You're sure.
But trading one pair, I kind of like the support and resistance strategy, the W pattern on price on site level. I think I'm beginning to develop my strategy. I'm trying to combine everything together to see what actually works for me. Because right now, when I enter market and see the GBPUSD, like, it's just like I know everything that is happening in the market, and it's giving me joy. Although I don't trade with real money. But it's actually giving me joy, knowing what will happen and what won't happen.
That's it. The news came out on that Wednesday and go against USD. USD that meant to be strong was weak. USD that meant to be strong, this place was neutral. Even this one too, say PMI, that wasn't really movement. It moved that day. I tell you, it moved that day. Sure, you know. But just it moved just small.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again, you move just small. Like 20 feet ahead. Push, just push, and it stopped. Move just small. So it's crazy. Even though it be like arrow when they walk. One day, if you just walk again, come back to his arrow again. So it's funny. If this news have came out to be strong that day, you should have not had any news. You should have made that stuff. And then you should have made it. Both this one came out. This one came out. So this week, Bush couldn't give strength to do. So we have to say, automatically, this one, firstly, what we're wrong is that as many we have waited for this news, we shall not enter it. But we entered. Secondly, the core key thing is that what we are wrong is we immediately we entered and we saw the news came out. We are thinking, and if we thinking it will be much. We are just opted out. Because of what? Our pair that we major on is now negative. Just like person where you will give you money. Hey, your uncle say go give money, he don't disappoint you. What else you know what? Okay, it don't disappoint you. You the whole money. Person where you want to borrow money, the whole money. I remember they don't come. Person where you want to borrow money, the whole money. The whole people will have money. I remember somebody they put the account. So it's more like someone we have majorly on, which is usually that came out negative. And this one also came out. If this one has came out positive, green, should have owed to our buy. Possibly that this might not last. Just do the this one came stepping back. This one will just neutral. As if this one will automatically overall. This one that came out again, wasn't it again? Not came out weak again. And this one I was already this one came out green. Weak again, then I knew guys, if I'm still holding you, I don't. it keeps selling and just after. So the two factors that was happening was the news affected us. Firstly, the news pushed it down. I chose that we need to what cash up liquidity. Why it's not yet? That's what that news means. That news that came out negative news. I want to say that this space you can't buy here. Even though it shows that I want to buy, but in the real sense it can't go here. So the news gave it the liquidity need to come. The second one also pushes it down. When it come here, so that's the two things I think we are. So next time we'll take note of that. So that's also we have to watch ourselves, watch out. Maybe back market was around here, watch out. And three, that market, another thing came out again, another news came out. Guys, you're on the way back. This kind of market it's not yet to buy. It's not to buy. You see, I seem to count those liquidity. You need to count it before you can buy. That's how you have to. You have to. So that's two things, right? So any questions, sir?
No questions, sir.
Hope you understand. So I was just hope you understand everything. Hope you learn new things today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll also do my assignment on it.
Wish to, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody for joining me today. This is where we will call it off. Again, we meet tomorrow, same time, same venue. Hope you learned something today, guys. And if you don't, please do care to drop a question on the comment section. As all I and other of my team be willing and able to attend to your questions and of course provide answers to you. If you do drop the question in the comment section, only do. And if you are just watching us for the first time, we want to urge you everybody, and it's your first time to watch this channel, please and do what to subscribe, because we do a lot of this and we learn a super on this channel. This is what we do. Forex. What we do here. And it will definitely help you scale up faster because we break it down into your understanding, into the list of this ever you can ever comprehend and imagine. So don't forget what? Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, of course. Do want to always join us, our community. Check around the subscription, around the description, and join us. Yes. Let's get it on. Let's make this money together, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today, and God bless you, everybody. See you again. Peace out, guys. Bye.